What's going on, guys? It's Marcel Benson, investor and entrepreneur. Look, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome, right? Drop me a comment below. I'd love to say what's up, right? If not, then you already know what it is, right? Each and every day I'm coming and giving you guys a daily trade to show you a breakdown so that you can understand exactly how I take my trades and you can implement it in your trading strategy. All right. Now, before we move into the video, because I got a nice video that's I think is really going to give you guys a keen understanding of how we trade, right? And how you can make money daily. This was a prime example of how patience is a virtue, okay? But I'll get into that in a second. Now, y'all know how I go. Before we get into the video, I need you to subscribe, right? I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and I need your help, right? The reason that this is so important is because after we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be unlocking another series in the YouTube channel that's going to help you even more on your journey, right? But we got to get to that 1,000 first. Okay, so hit the subscribe button, like, comment, do whatever you can to get this moving because I'm giving you anti-gatekeeping information, not holding anything back, giving you all I know about trading so that you can become a better trader over time, okay? All right, now, today, Palantir was on the menu. Palantir had, oh man, it set so many different traps throughout the day, and it almost got me. It almost got me, I'm not gonna lie. But I had to remember, right? Even though I tell you guys this all the time, you got to wait for closures and be patient. But I also have to remind myself of this on a consistent basis as well, because I'm only human, right? So Palantir started off down, right? Broke below the VWAP, it's down, right? Down, 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 going down, down, down. Fake like it was going to find a reversal, no reversal. Fake like it was about to be a reversal, no reversal. Continue going down. Then we finally got a reversal. And I'm going to show you all this on the chart. I'm just speaking it through right now, right? Finally got a reversal, and then it went up. And then I was waiting to see if it was going to recover the VWAP or if it was going to, reject the VWAP and possibly form a bear flag, right? So I'm saying this because two different setups can be present at one time, right? Something can be forming a bear flag and it can also be forming a recovery. The way that you determine whether or not it's a recovery or a bear flag is if 50% of the move, there's a closure above that, right? So a bear flag can never be more than 50% retracement to the upside, right? So that VWAP just happened to be sitting right around that 50% marker. So if we would have gotten a closure above the VWAP, that would have told me that, oh, this is a recovery. But a failure of that VWAP would be like, oh, this is a real bear flag. And I'm going to show you exactly how that plays out, how I spotted it, and how I made money along with other people in the group. All right, let's get into these charts. All right. Now, if you look at Palantir, you see beginning of the day, it dropped. I'm looking at this on the 15-minute. Beginning of the day, it dropped, drop. There was one hammer that failed and then continued down. Another hammer that fell and then continued down. Then we finally got a doji and a reversal. And if you can see this green candle just below the VWAP, you can see why I was so excited, because I was like, oh, this is about to be a recovery of the VWAP, and then it's going to go back and retrace to highs. And that would have been a lot of distance. That would have gave us a nice profit. We probably could have got about 20 to 30% out of that. But it failed the VWAP. Right? Now, here's where they get people, and here's how you can make sure that you do not get caught up in the fake outs that they do. So the first red candle went above and failed the VWAP. While we're trading this during the 15-minute, right? While we're looking at this, it's a green candle. It doesn't become a red reverse hammer until towards the last minute of the candle. So what happens is a lot of people can take that as it's trading above the VWAP. I'm going to take entry, but you need a closure above the VWAP for it to be valid, right? For that bear flag to be out of play and for that retracement or a recovery to be in play, you need that closure above the VWAP. It didn't give us the closure. So that's why I was like, okay, this next candle, they're going to try to play with us, but I know it's going to the downside because it failed the VWAP. So this next candle looks similar to the one before. It's another reverse hammer, but it wasn't like that during the 15-minute session. It was a green bullish candle that actually went slightly higher than the previous candle. As you can see, right? That's where I marked failure on the chart. So when I saw that failed again, I took entry at the very next candle. I saw 2 failed candles at the VWAP. Oh yeah, it's going down. Took entry, caught it down, made a quick 353. But I also told the people in my group, I'm like, this is going much further, and look at where it went, right? I said it's going much further, but look at where it went. We want to secure the bag though. We don't want to have to wait until 30, 40%. You can leave runners to do that. That's the safe bet. But while you're learning, while you're new to trading, you came to our group to learn how to make money to replace your income, right? You came to our group to learn how to get paid and start accumulating wealth over here on the side. We want to eliminate the risk. There will come a time where you know how to stay in plays longer, but for right now, we're just trying to get 10 to 15%. 10 to 15%. So when we can get those base hits, right, we are accumulating wealth. Our money is growing every single day, and we're finding plays. Like I said, we had to wait for this, but if you follow the teachings, you will continue to make money, right? It's in the closures, not the trading, that the story is told. Where is the candlestick closing, right? A candlestick can be different over the course of its session, but where it closes is what's telling the story about whatever given session you're looking at. It's very, very important to understand this, right? If you guys have questions and need more guidance or want, a video, drop it in the comments. Like if you need more instruction on this, drop it in the comments. I'm here to help you. You're not going to find anybody like this online. I'm telling you. I'm answering your questions, and to be honest with you, I don't know how long this is going to last because, the star is increasing. Everything is going to be growing. When people get wind of what's going on over here, you're going to see things grow at a rapid pace. So obviously I can't keep up with hundreds of thousands of people as I know it will be. But while you're here, consider yourself like guided. So ask away, drop them in the comments, join the group. Right? We are getting people paid every day, and we are locking in and making sure that you're profitable. That's the main goal. That's a win for me. All right. I've been rapping. I've been talking a lot. But look, I do it because I'm passionate about it. I've been where you are, and I want you to come on to the other side. Right? So I go off on these tangents when I'm teaching because I'm just so energized and so excited to see y'all win. All right. Hit the comments below. Hit subscribe. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.